Pretty. Pretty girl. You are a pretty girl.
Pretty babies, Prairie. I got pretty babies. How old are they going to be before you start selling them? When you start selling them?
About 2.5, 3 months.
Oh.
Got to have them vaccinated.
So you going to advertise it when you start selling them?
Something. Poor mama. Poor old mama. She's like, I'm fixing to move Blue. Blue's the black one. The little girl that's so little. She's trying to go up under there. Now she's going to try and go up under there and take her titty from her.
What's her name?
She ain't got a name yet. But Blue is the one with the blue collar.